Good day, kids. This is Sir Mark. Mathematics time again. Today, we have a new topic, MDAS. So, under order of operations, we have the three acronym MDAS, JANERCO, and PEMDAS. So, we will focus on the first topic, which is the foundation, MDAS. So, pag natakil natin to, madali nyo na pag-aaralan yung JANERCO and PEMDAS. So, what does MDAS means? So, as you can see, meron tayong mga symbols dito. So, we have multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So, let's proceed. Okay, the first equation we have 2 times 5 divided by 10 times 6 divided by 2 times 5. Okay, how will you carry out or perform the operations? So, ang operations na involved natin dito is we have the multiplication and division. Okay, pag nakita nyo sa ating equation na multiplication and division, ang rule natin dito is tinatawag nating left to right method. Okay, let's see kung paano to. So, 2 times 5, that is 10. Divided by 10, that is 1. Times 6, that is 6. Divided by 2, that is 3. Multiplied to 5, that is 15. Let's try another equation. Again, this time, naunang division and then followed by multiplication. So, same rule, left to right method. So, we have 10 divided by 10. That is 1. Then, copy the remaining quantities or symbols. So, fast forward na natin. So, we have 5. Okay. In multiplication and division, to perform multiplication and division as they occur from left to right. Ibig sabihin, magmumultiply kayo o magdi-divide kayo, you start at the left side going to right side. So, madali lang siya. Next, we have another equation. So, 2 plus 5 minus 2 plus 6 plus 2 minus 5. Okay, take a look at the operations involved. Okay, meron tayong addition and subtraction. So, ano kaya ang rule na susundin natin? Let's see. So, 2 plus 5, 7 minus 2, 5 plus 6, that is 11 plus 2, that is 13 minus 5, that is 8. Okay, another equation, 20 minus 10 plus 2 minus 2 plus 5. Subtraction and addition. This time, subtraction naman yung nauna. So, 20 minus 10, that is 10. Then, copy the succeeding or remaining symbols and quantities. Plus 2 minus 2 plus 5. And then, perform the necessary operations. Natin, fast forward na natin. So, we got 15. So, in addition and subtraction, pag ito lang ang nakita nyo sa equation, so perform the rule from left to right method. So, addition and subtraction, perform addition and subtraction as they occur from left to right. So, madali lang siya. So, parehas lang siya nung sa ating first group, which is multiplication and division. Okay, now, let's discuss MDAS. So, MDAS stands for multiplication, division. Yun yung ating first group. And addition and subtraction. So, as you can see, color-coded na siya. Bakit? Para mas madali natin siyang matandaan mamaya. So, I put an arrow. What does this arrow signifies? Ibig sabihin, yung multiplication and division or division and multiplication can be interchanged. Pwede sila magkapalit. Tandaan nyo, this is the first group. Next, addition and subtraction. Again, meron uli siyang arrow. So, it can be interchanged. Pwede sila magkapalit. Pwede mauna yung subtraction and followed by addition. Okay. Now, let's have the first example. So, we have 5 times 2 divided by 2 plus 6 minus 10. How will you carry out the operation? So, let's follow the rule of MDAS. So, maggawa ulit tayo ng groups. So, sa first group is meron tayong multiplication, division, or division and multiplication. Ibig sabihin, ito muna yung i-evaluate natin o i-compute natin. After that, pwede na tayo mag-proceed sa second group, which is addition and subtraction, or pwede mauna yung subtraction and then followed by addition. So, tingnan muna natin. So, 5 times 2, that is 10. Then, copy the remaining symbol and quantities. Divided by 2 plus 6 minus 10. Next, sa first group, meron pa tayo natitira na division. So, 10 divided by 2 plus 6 minus 10, that is, yan, 5 plus 6 minus 10. Okay, pagtapos na tayo dun sa ating first group, wala na tayong nakikita na multiplication and division. That's the only time na pupunta na tayo sa second group. So, ang nauna is addition. So, 5 plus 6, that is 11. Then, minus 10, that is 1. So, let's have another example. 20 divided by 2 minus 3 times 2 plus 6. Again, look at the first group. Itong kulay blue. Kailangan muna nating tapusin yung multiplication or division or multiplication. Kahit alin na mauna. Whichever comes first. So, ang nag-appear na una ay we have division. So, proceed tayo sa division. So, 20 divided by 2, that is 10. And then, copy the remaining quantities and symbols. So, we have minus 3 times 2 plus 6. So, i-check. We're done with division. So, meron pa siyang kapartner na multiplication. Tingnan, i-check kung meron pang multiplication. So, this time, meron pa siya. Nasa gitna. So, we cannot proceed to the second group. So, 3 times 2, that is 6. And then, copy both sides dun sa ating equation and symbol. So, we have, ito, 10 at saka 6. Tapos na tayo. May nakikita pa ba kayong multiplication and division? Pag wala na, you can proceed to the second group. Addition, subtraction, or subtraction, addition. Whichever comes first. Okay, ang nauna dito ay subtraction. So, proceed tayo sa subtraction. Sa pinaka-left side tayo lagi magsisimula. So, 10 minus 6, that is 4 plus 6, that is, so we have 10. Next equation. So, 15 minus 10 divided by 2 plus 1 times 10. Okay, how will you carry out or perform the operations? Again, we have the two groups. The first group is multiplication and division, or division and multiplication. Yun muna. Second group, we have addition and subtraction, or subtraction and addition. It can be interchanged. So, tingnan muna yung sa first group natin. We have to accomplish or settle muna yung multiplication and division. So, dito meron siya. Ang nag-appear na una is the division. So, kailangan muna natin mag-divide. So, from left to right ang method natin. So, 10 divided by 2, that is 5. And then, copy the remaining digit on both sides. So, we have 15 plus 1 times 10. We're done with division. May nakikita ba tayong multiplication? Yes, meron. So, first group pa rin siya. We cannot proceed to addition and subtraction hanggat hindi natin na-settle yung ating first group. So, 1 times 5, that is 5. And then, copy the remaining quantities, which is 15 minus 5 So we're done with the first group. Wala nang multiplication and division. We can now proceed to the second group, addition and subtraction. Or pwede mo una yung subtraction and then followed by addition, whichever comes first. So this time, ang nauna sa left side ay ang ating subtraction. So proceed tayo sa subtraction. 15 minus 5, that is 10. Then plus 5, that is 15. Next, we have 20 divided by 2 minus 3 times 6 plus 6. So again, look at the first group, multiplication and division muna tayo. So ang nauna ay divide or division. So proceed tayo sa division. So 20 divided by 2, that is 10, and then copy the remaining quantities and symbols. So we have minus 3 times 2 plus 6. Check kung merong multiplication. Yes, meron. So proceed tayo. So 3 times 2, that is 6. And then copy both sides kung meron pang natitirang mga quantities and symbols. So we have 10 plus 6. Okay, if we're done with the first group, we can now proceed to addition and subtraction. Or pwede silang magkapalit. This time, ang nauna uli ay subtraction. So proceed tayo sa subtraction. So 10 minus 6, that is 4. Plus 6, that is 10. So that is the rule of MDAS. You cannot proceed to the addition and subtraction kapag hindi nyo pa natapos yung multiplication and division or multiplication kung meron dun sa equation. Okay, now, let's evaluate the following equation. So number 1, we have 30 divided by 10 minus 1 times 2 plus 6. Next, we have 5 times 2 divided by 2 plus 6 minus 10. Next, we have 5 minus 2 divided by 2 plus 6 times 10. So I'll give you a copy. Right now. Okay, if you're done, let's check your work. Okay, again, MDAS, we have the first group, multiplication and division, or division of multiplication. Next, second group is addition, subtraction, or subtraction and addition. Okay, how will you evaluate this equation? So 30 divided by 10 minus 1 times 2 plus 6. So first, carry out the first group, which is the multiplication and divisions. So we have 30 divided by 10, that is 3 minus 1 times 2 plus 6. So we're done with the division. May nakikita pa ba tayong multiplication? So proceed. 1 times 2, that is 3. And then copy the remaining quantities. Proceed to second group. So 3 minus 2, that is 1 plus 6, that is 7. Next, number 2, multiplication. Ayan, fast forward na natin. So carry out first the first group, followed by the second group. So we have 1. Next, okay, carry out the first group. So we have multiplication, division and multiplication, followed by subtraction and addition. So we have 64. I hope you got it correctly. So congratulations kung tama kayo lahat. Again, huwag kakalimutan yung MDAS, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So remember these two groups. So multiplication or division. Pagtapos na doon, proceed to second group, which is addition or subtraction. Okay, summary of our lesson. So, MDAS stands for multiplication and division and addition and subtraction. So, rule natin, multiply or divide as they occur from left to right. So, ito yung first group natin. So, before proceeding to second group, which is addition and subtraction, so, kailangan mo na masettle yung number 1. So, number 2 rule is add or subtract as they occur from left to right. Thank you for watching and listening. Again, this is Sir Mark again. Till next time.